I, Professor Pallavi Patil, Computer Engineering Department from JSPM Nehru Technical Campus. Today I am give a deep overview about database management system. As database, it's correlate with the data. We take suppose example of Google. So in 60 seconds there are millions of data which is stored related to the only Google one website. So it's related to the 3 million approximate 3 million data which is related to the YouTube, 1 million data which is related to the only suffering. That means if we are going to search and single thing on a Google, that data also counted. So as in a today's world, data matters related to the digital platform. So database, as it focuses on data, so structured data and unstructured data. That means the data which is capture from the digital platform, how we are going to store and how we are going to manage, related to that database management system focuses. So database management system focuses as the data which is managed related to the structured data and unstructured data. So number of platforms in a today's world, those are open to manage that data like SQL, Oracle, then OpenMP, as well as the MongoDB and NoSQL. The MongoDB and NoSQL, those are current trend related to the open source database management system. So here the data is relates to the single object, like suppose we are taking an example of person. So for person, the characteristics like name of a person, date of birth of a person, then the height of a person, then where he stay, as well as the mobile number or contact details of a person. So like the fields or characteristics related to the single object or that person which counted as a data. So you can think that the huge amount of data which is collected every second, so we are going to manage along with this database management system. As I earlier told that there are number of tools, MongoDB and NoSQL, those are currently open source tools used for managing the data. So open source tool among from the MongoDB, again there are number of certifications, those are also sponsored by the companies like Capgemini, Zorient. Okay, so we can focus related to this MongoDB as a career platform, as well as the particular NoSQL also. Again for NoSQL certifications, number of corporate fields, those are connected with this platform as a database administrator, as a database handler, as a database structure implementations. So likewise we can choose our career related to this database tool. So related to this open source database platform, number of tools. So suppose we are considering the MongoDB tool, in that the data which is stored in structured and unstructured manner. Traditionally the data which is stored in a relational database management system. In that relational database management system, the data which is stored in a tabular format, that means the every data and related to the object and related to the things, those are managed and those are structured in a table format. That means suppose if we are going to store a data, characteristics of a person, those are managed in a table format. So it is a traditional way to store a data, or we can manage that data through the tables, but which is called as a relational database management system. Suppose if we are going to log a particular Facebook page, okay, suppose this is an example, if we are going to log a particular Facebook page with username and password, that time that information is matched with the database which is stored at a particular server of Facebook. So this type of an mapping, that means the data which is entered by us is checked with the backend source. Nowadays there are number of openings related to the database administrators, those who can handle the PLSQL language as well as the MongoDB and NoSQL. So we can choose a career path related to this database management system. It is a core subject from computer engineering. Thank you.